guys, and welcome to Tootsie Swirl Tea. Anyway, today, look what I have for you guys. Shopkins vending machine. Anyway, it comes with two exclusive Shopkins inside. And look at the over here. I love the patterns. Well, not really patterns, but it says to fill your vending machine with all your Shopkins. Well, you can't fill it with all your Shopkins because then you won't have any room. But who cares? Let's just start getting this open. So let's start opening this. So when we take it out, here we have Cheeky Chocolate and Pretzel. And it has the season 2 list on here. Fruit to veg, pantry, bakery, sweet tarts, and luxury, party food, healthy and beauty, and frozen and limited edition. Okay, so let's start taking these out. And we'll put it back inside here. And we'll start putting season 2s in here. I mean season 3s, because I don't have any seasons 2s. Ta-da! Let's get something. I think I'm gonna go get Cheeky Chocolate. Beep, 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 beep. Ah, yay. Let's eat this Cheeky Chocolate up. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.